Hi, welcome to my channel, Martha Allen. My channel is delightful, healthy, and delicious cooking for people with high blood pressure and diabetes. And today we're cooking a spinach omelet. Spinach omelet is good because sometimes with diabetes it's hard to find things that taste good because we're so used to salt and we have to get away from the salt. So I that's when I start having spinach eggs. Okay, here we go. What we have here is one egg, and this is my healthy breakfast for delightful, healthy, and delicious. We have pure olive oil to cook the egg in. We have about one handful like this of spinach, or you can count about 10, 15 leaves. Now it looks like a lot, but when you cook the spinach in the egg, the spinach will shrink, and therefore you may want more spinach. You can have that amount of spinach with one egg or two. They will have one egg, and we will mix the egg and the spinach together. However, we might want to cut up the spinach. So to cut up the spinach, we can roll it like so and use a cutting board to dice the spinach prior to putting it in the egg. Just dice it like so. And this way, when you're eating it, you're not having big chunks of spinach at one time. And like I said, once you cook it, it will shrink. And you dice up the spinach, uh, and it makes it taste good and eat well because it's not all clumped together. Um, it gets the spinach wrapped in all the egg as you cook it and makes it taste good. This is a very simple breakfast, very healthy uh, breakfast because spinach is a healthy vegetable to have. And there's so many ways you could use spinach. You could put it in a sandwich like you do a normal lettuce. You can use spinach in your stir fry. You can use spinach in your morning drinks if you do smoothies in the morning. If you're in a hurry and you want to make sure you have a nutritious breakfast and you want to make it quick, then you don't necessarily have to cut up the spinach. But me, if I have the time, I like to cut up my spinach and put it in an egg. And if I'm really in a hurry, I will take some spinach and mix it with my orange juice uh, to give me that extra boost in the morning when I'm running out the door. I'm in a hurry and really don't have time to fix breakfast. After you cut up your spinach, you mix it into your egg. Now it's gonna look like I got too much spinach, but with eggs, uh, blend your egg before or after you put the spinach in. Either way, it's okay. Uh, Either way, it will mix in with the egg. If you like, you can also add your seasoning. And since this is for people with high blood pressure or diabetes, I don't recommend salt, but you might want to put a little of pepper in it. This is where I put a little bit of black pepper, not too much, just to help with the seasoning. Now, my spinach egg is ready to be fried in olive oil, which again, olive oil is a healthy oil to cook with. Now I'm going over to the stove and fry the spinach egg omelet. I already have my grease in the skillet. You can bend it around. I always keep a little bowl or something on the side in case I have too much grease or too much olive oil in the skillet. I don't like my eggs too greasy. It's okay if you scrape it all out. Now your eggs might come out a little green, but that's expected. But that's expected when you are cooking an egg omelet. I mean, a spinach omelet. And sometimes if you don't have enough, if you put oil in the skillet and it doesn't seem to be enough, that's why it's good to have a little bit on the side to add as you fry your egg omelet. Now we will put our egg omelet on the plate and we will soon be ready for our breakfast. You can just gently slide your egg omelet off out of the skillet onto your plate. This is our and now we're ready for breakfast. In addition to our egg omelet, which is healthy and nutritious, we also have a bowl of Cheerios to go with the breakfast if you want additional uh, servings with your breakfast. The Cheerios should be sugar free. You shouldn't use Honey Nut Cheerios or any kind of cereal that does not have sugar. Thank you for joining me for my channel on Delightful Healthy Eating. And until next time, please subscribe to Delightful Healthy Eating. And these egg omelets are just delicious. Have a great day. Hi, this is Martha Allen, and thank you for joining me today. And please subscribe to my channel. Look forward to seeing you and hopefully helping you with additional healthy meals for high blood pressure and diabetes. Thank you.